Hi, my name is Ben Siegel, and today I will be telling you about the process of paving a new road. So the first step is the design process, and this is usually handled by the civil engineers. The engineers will usually hand in this to the state or the county, depending on how big the project is, a picture like this. So after the design process or the design is accepted, the bidding process begins. Now the bidding process is basically just offering money for the landowner where the proposed road is supposed to go. The bidding process usually takes the most time because most landowners do not want to budge. After the bidding process is over and the land is obtained, the path must be cleared in order for the road construction to start. So this machine right here is called a bulldozer, and it helps clear a path very efficiently. It is a very powerful machine and can push through many materials with ease. So while the path is being cleared, material must be taken out, such as clays, which are unstable materials. This machine right here is called a dump truck, and it is able to hold around 16 to 20 tons of clay or unstable material in the back of its truck bed. So after all the material is taken out and the path is somewhat cleared, subbase must be laid. What subbase is a way to fill the holes that have been taken out or cleared already in the proposed path's direction. After that subbase has been laid down, then it is time for the base, and what the base does, it sets a hard layer on top of the subbase that must meet a grade requirement. Now what grade is basically just slope. For example, this is a steeper grade than this would be, okay? And right here, this machine is called a grader. This will help us meet the required grade that has been proposed by the engineers in the design process way back in the first slide. So this machine will push around the base right here, and it is able to then meet the required grade so we can start paving. But before we can start paving, we must first compact the base so it is able to withstand immense amount of forces of the heavy machines of the paver. So this is the paver right here, and how this works is blacktop or asphalt will come to this hopper part right here from a dump truck. After it is in this hopper part, conveyor belts that are located down there will carry it to the back. The back of the paver is called the screed. While the paver is moving, blacktop will come out by the screed, and the screed, all it does is it levels out the blacktop so it makes a nice smooth finish. After that has been completed, it must be compacted. Now this is a very critical process of the paving, because if these rollers right here do not get on while the asphalt is hot, then it'll be very hard for the asphalt to be worked with, because when asphalt cools it becomes very hard, and that's what usually happens for roads. So cold asphalt is hard and sturdy, hot asphalt is very non-sturdy. So after these machines have made their passes about 3 or 4 times, then the road is complete and cars can start driving on it within an hour or 2 hours usually.